Come on in, come on in. Invite some people to come on, hit the share button. Hit share, 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 share. Invite some people to come on in. My friends, I'll be talking about our great products and services that we have, my friends, and I look forward to helping you to get your credit fixed, my friend. We fix credit faster than any other company in America, my friends. We fix credit fast, and we want to be able to help you to get your credit fast. You know, we fix credit so fast that we are a company, those who qualify for our expedited service, if those negative items are not removed off your credit report within 30 days or less, we're going to give your money back to you. We stand behind our work. We know what we're doing. We do a great job, my friends. We are the best credit repair company in the business. We want to be able to help you as well to get your credit fixed. Don't just sit back and think that your credit going to fix itself, my friends, because it's not going to just fix itself. You got to take responsibility about your credit. You got to do something about your credit, my friends, getting those negative, derogatory, erroneous, fraudulent, and fictitious items removed off your credit report. And again, we can help you do it, and we can help you do it fast here at Derrick Young Enterprises, LLC. And we're running a 50% discount as well on all our products and services all the way to December 24th, which is Christmas Eve. Now's the opportunity to get yourself in position to be able to get a new home, a new car, even a better job in some situations. And it all starts with having good, excellent credit. You know, particularly homes. You know, a lot of people want to get a home and things, but guess what? They're going to run your credit. And your credit score has to be at an acceptable level to get yourself in position to get that new home. So don't just sit back and think that your credit going to just magically fix itself. Don't just think that, hey, I'm tired of them. I'm just going to leave it alone. What you need to do is take responsibility and start working on your credit to get your credit fixed fast. We here at Derrick Young Enterprises, LLC, we can do that for you, and we can do it for you fast. Like I say, for those who qualify for our expedited service, we're going to fix your credit fast. Those negative derogatory items will be removed off your credit in 30 days or less. And if they're not removed off, we're going to give your money back to you. We're not going to argue with you. We ain't going to debate nothing. But we're not concerned because we know we do a good job as a company, my friends. And we can help you. Again, we can help you as well to get those negative, derogatory, untimely items removed off your credit. And we can do it fast here at Derrick Young Enterprises, LLC. We are the best credit repair company in the business. We are the best. We have high-end software. We have professional and friendly staff. And we get the job done fast. The average credit repair company other than ours take at least about a year and a half to fix people's credit. But we do it fast here at Derrick Young Enterprises. Even the people that qualify for our lesser expedited packages typically get their credit fixed up between 2 to 4 months, my friends. Okay, between 2 to 4 months only for those who qualify for our lesser expedited packages. We do such a wonderful job, my friends. We are here to help you. And we're going to fix your credit in 30 days or less, those who qualify for our expedited package, or we're going to give your money back to you. Okay? When I say fix your credit, we're referring to those negative items being removed off your credit. And I want you to understand, my friend, when you get one negative account taken off your credit, it's a big deal. Some people don't see it like that. One collection account can drop your score 30 or 40 points. So when you get one negative account removed off your credit, it's a big deal. You should be celebrating that. Okay? You should be celebrating that account coming off your credit, especially when we get it removed off fast. Like I said, our competitors take a long time to help their clients. I know firsthand. I help a lot of people deals with these other companies like Lexington Law and FES, known as United Credit Services now. We help a lot of people that used to be with these companies. United Credit Services, they are so great that they make their own client mail out their own letters. The client got to pay them $89 a month, and then the client got to mail out their own letters. That is a joke. We handle everything for our clients. The only thing the client got to let us know is when the credit bureaus write them, and send us a copy to pay. That's it. We handle everything for our clients. We realize that people are busy. They don't have time to be mailing out letters to the credit bureaus and all that type of stuff the post office. We are the best credit repair company in the business. We're so good that if you qualify for our expedited package and those negative, derogatory, untimely items are not removed off in 30 days or less, we're going to give you your money back. Full money back guarantee. Full money back guarantee. We're not going to argue with you. We ain't going to debate with you. You just got to show us the paperwork that those items were not removed off. We're going to give you your money back. But we're not concerned about that because we do a great job as a company and we know that we can help you as well. Call me at 1-800-570-1708. Extension number 1 for myself, 1-800-570-1708. Extension number 1 for myself. Again, 1-800-570-1708. Extension number 1 for myself. Again, 1-800-570-1708. Extension number 1 for myself. We can help you to fix your credit, and we can do it fast. We run a 50% discount all the way to December 25th. Go ahead and tell a neighbor, tell a friend. We got a 2-for-1 special for the married couples, fiancés and things. We got a 2-for-1 special as well. We can help you. We want to help you. We can help you. We want to help you. Just one phone call away. Call me at 1-800-570-1708, extension number 1. 1-800-570-1708, extension number 1. This is Derrick Young, the CEO of Derrick Young Enterprises, LLC. We look forward to helping you to fix your credit. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you.